Most of our auto defects cases are referred to us from other lawyers that don't do this kind of work because it is quite costly to pursue. And when clients come to us, they do not pay anything unless we get a recovery for them, either by way of settlement or a verdict. We're very careful with the cases that we take on. We employ experts from across the country that are some of the best experts in their particular field. For example, when a seatback fails, a lot of times what that might mean is the seatback just, completely fails and goes back. And when that happens, the seat belt that the person is wearing really isn't doing very much for them because the seat back can't provide them with the portion of the restraint that's necessary. We have a number of cases involving a seat back failure where either the seat back fails to function and reclines, as I say, or we've had cases where the seat back, because of a mechanism in the seat back, it might twist. There's different types of seat back failures, but all of those seat back failures produce, unfortunately, devastating injuries. For more information about myself and our law firm, please go to erlegal.com.